What is the ratio of resolving power of an optical microscope which is having a two different wavelengths? It's known that the resolving power of an optical microscope is inversely proportional to the wavelength of a light. So here it's given in the question, the wavelengths are lambda 1, which is given as 4000 angstrom, and lambda 2 is given as 6000 angstrom. So here we can write the ratio of resolving power as R1 is to R2. So here we can write R1 is to R2 will be equal to 1 over lambda 1 divided by 1 over lambda 2 because they are inversely proportional. So again it can be written as lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. Now we can apply the values. So 6000 divided by 4000 which will be equal to 3 divided by 2. In terms of ratio we can write R1 is to R2 will be equal to 3 is to 2. So the correct answer for the question is option B here.